Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension that is called ads skipping. Ads skipping is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension is claiming to help people block numerous advertisements while watching some video content. But instead of blocking ads, this extension may show its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Most adware-type apps downloaded from shady websites display banners, pop-ups, coupons, or other ads designed to promote various scams, questionable apps, websites, and so on. In some cases, clicking those ads downloads some potentially unwanted software. This particular extension, called ad skipping, is often spread through misleading pop-ups presented as some important browser updates. So, in case the extension somehow was installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures to get rid of it. This is how you can get rid of it. Go to the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then, if you find any extensions here like this ads skipping, disable and remove the extension. To make sure that the system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, then start researching your system. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. In your particular case, the program will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, and you should not stop or cancel that procedure. At the end of the scan, you will be able to find out the names of the threats that were revealed. You will also be able to know the locations of these threats. However, we strongly advise upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to keep your data always safe, secure, and protected against any other possible malware or adware attacks.